Look, guys, it's Mike, Mississippi. You gotta show off the new hat.
Oh, I didn't show off the new hat. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Merch drop, never coming.
Never coming.
Let me see that. Let me see that action.
But you'll see it soon on Mother Mike's forehead.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Please.
Great. Looks good. It looks the best on you.
It's official is all I'm trying to say, really.
So official.
Mike looks so good with that hat on.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today, we haven't told them yet.
What are we doing today?
But we can do it now.
Anyways, guys, we're picking up some cars today.
Picking up one car.
Clearly. Oh, one car. Maybe some dirt bikes.
Maybe dirt bikes if they fit safely. But it's been the car you've been waiting for. The E30. It's gonna be great, guys. Okay.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be a couple videos, but
yeah, it's gonna be a long video. But yeah, probably gonna spend most of the video just trying to get it on the trailer because it's quite low. We got minimal clearance in the front, but we'll figure it out like we always do.
Oh fuck! Also, shout out to our sponsor, Mother Mike.
Mother Mike, always helping, always helping.
My. Can't say.
If it wasn't without him, we'd probably not even have the Mercedes up. We'll see you on the way there, guys. Too magic.
Too magic.
Oh my God. Bad news, guys. We just popped the hood on the E30. It's a mess.
I left garbage can there or whatever. I walked away, 2 or 3 of them hit in the garbage can.
Oh shit.
Yeah, because I was
Not
braking
cash
right
money.
there.
Yeah.
Nah, cash money.
Impressive.
I'm hoping they didn't shoot any fucking wires and shit. It's over, guys. We're gonna burn it. I can't fix it. It's unsavable. Years wasted. All because they cheated right there at TBS. The TBS is done. They cheated right there. And it's important because the tune I have on here goes off TPS and RPM because ITBs, they go bop, 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 bop. So it's not gonna run. Meow, 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 meow.
You didn't just stand for your shot.
You can always use another one.
Actually, you do? Yeah.
Oh wait, that was too short.
One back here.
You're getting the bad angle. Unbelievable. You're fired. I'm over this. Where'd you find this one?
I don't know.
What the fuck? No, no.
Fucking right.
Boom. All done. Look how professionally measured out and beautiful these wires are. Ugh. It's factory. This is factory stuff. I actually found it like this, you know, from the factory. I worked there back in '86.
I seen it.
I see. First crank. Let's see if I fixed it. Oh, she locked up again. I believe there's water or possible fuel in the cylinder, so she doesn't want to crank over. She's locked up. So we'll pull the plugs on that real quick. Easy peasy job, and get that water out. Got a bunch of 10 mils across the top. Plugs are actually kind of nice because pop, pop.
And why are we taking these off, Ryan?
Might be hydrolocked. It's locked up and won't crank over, so I want to take these off. See what the fuck's going on. Oh, again. Oh, one more time. Oh, 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 oh.
Let's take a look, guys.
Okay.
With our sponsor for today, not Olight.
Damn. Oh god, I'm so scared. I'm so fucking scared. Damn, whoever put these in did a good job. It was me.
You're in there.
What? Yo. Don't know. Hope not.
It certainly wasn't tight.
I don't think it's getting on. Is there shit in there? After we just said, it was good. Oh. Uh-oh. That's not cool.
Oh, holy fuck. That is not cool.
What's the boot tip? What is that? It's not the tip of the boot. What is that? It looks like a boot though.
A boot.
Well, let's just
What
hope.
size? I'm 11.
It's definitely
What
a
size
13 in there.
Damn it.
I know.
Never my
Big guy.
size.
Oh well, let's just hope it's not cylinder 3 and we'll continue on. Watch it be cylinder 3 and I just fucking kill myself. Just fucking blow it off.
I call it center.
Smooth off. Oh my god, guys. Look, we got the plugs out and they're extremely oily and really black. So that's no good. That's no good. Gotta plug the battery back in. You're gonna want to stay on this side. You're gonna get sprayed with shit.
Oh no!
Coolant. That was coolant. Bro,
That's not good.
I know coolant when I see it.
That was coolant.
That was.
Oh no, that's a gas.
That's gas?
That's gas.
No shit.
Holy
whiff.
shit. It hydro-locked with gas? Oh, that's gas.
A lot of gas. That
I think I have a
was all gas.
stuck injector. Yeah, it's gas.
Yeah, it's really bad.
That's what happens when you buy refurbished shit from eBay.
Yeah.
Should have just spent the fucking whatever it was, $700,000 on fucking Works fucking injectors, and I wouldn't have this problem. But it's okay because this problem made me get a better motor. We're moving on up.
Boom.
To the cat.
We ain't no 2.5 liter small guy. We're a 2.8 big boy. Maybe like medium boy. Big boys get the 3 liter. All right, guys. We got the spark plugs back in and the coil packs back in, and we left it out of cylinder 1 because I think the ejector 1 is stuck open, and I don't want more fuel to go in there when I'm trying to start the car. So I left it out so it won't fill with fuel again and hydrolock in, and yeah, we're ready. So bad.
Yeah.
It sounds like rod knock with it open. Is it still smoking? Yeah.
Oh, it's turboed? It's turboed?
Oh god, cool.
It's drivable.
Cool.
Cool. You guys clean everything up, get it prepped for driving on the trailer,
Facts.
and then last second try to put the spark plug on so it's not out.
Yeah.
Because it'll, you know, eventually fire. Speed run. Let's go. Come on. No!
Ryan.
I dropped the extension.
Oh, no.
Terrible timing.
I thought you were speed running, Ryan.
Also, they called me Butterfingers.
Butterbingers.
I almost did it twice.
Probably that one that's sitting right there. Yeah. I don't know. Watch out! Oh, fuck! Oh, shit.
Oops.
Kick the ramps out.
I had a feeling that was gonna happen. I have to stay on the brakes. My e-brake won't work. This is going great.
Sweet ride, dude. That's my boyfriend, guys.
Okay.
There's nothing wrong with slow pumping.
Some girls prefer it.
Exactly.
Yeah, if we could just jack this up and then get stuff under it.
Oh yeah, to keep it safe.
Get stuff under the tires to try and get it level.
Oh yeah.
You know, like there's some big logs and some big old block over there, wood. That's in there.
Like a glove, dude.
Like a glove.
Like a glove.
Take a couple out.
Double. I'm gonna just grab one of the shittier ones, I guess.
Yeah, something. I like going up. Uppies.
Uppies!
Slow.
Uppies.
So you just do whatever you have to. more forward.
We want that
A little
freight.
more.
Yeah.
Right there.
We want that weight.
Yeah.
Up front.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
She's coming home.
Got her.
What a stressful situation that was.
Fucking
Oh my god. Oh, I can't open the door.
In a trailer, sorry.
We did it, guys. It's coming.
Not because of the trailer, it's because of the car.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, all loaded up after that shenanigans. What do you gotta say about that, Mike? How'd you feel about that loading session?
You wouldn't want to meet my
It was
lizard
a little
there.
frisky at times. You know, the car clearly, she's shits and gets.
No.
So she don't like to keep ramps under her. She likes to
That's
kick
the
'em
that's a
out.
little one though.
Science. She
Yep.
just like kick them out and try and jump on the trailer every time.
Every time.
Luckily, the second time was a charm, and we successfully got her loaded
Yes, we did.
Mother Mike.
to the passenger side of the trailer. She got a
Heavily.
squirrely, but you know,
She gets like that, you know?
Yeah, she
All
did.
that power.
she lives that life. You know? That's the life she lives. She's frisky.
Alrighty, guys. We made it back to the shop. Unsupervised garage.
Oh my god, we made it, boys. Let's see how smooth this goes, trying to take it off. I think we'll be good time, you know. I think it'll be very smooth, like sandpaper.
Pan saper. Smooth like sandpaper. Hell yeah, fella.
Help! Help! Somebody help me! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa, 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 hey, what are you doing?
Boner.
You're all good, fella.
Yeah, that looks good. Nice move. Oh!
Huh. Hooray, guys! We did it!
We're just calling.
I got a phone call. Hello! Let's pull this up and get her cleaned off. She dirty girl. Look at that. Oh no. I think that's all sap.
There's a break in the pattern, something pulling it apart. Every sound starts to bend like it's tearing